November 2022. And oh, look at it. Doesn't have the cover on it.
Yeah.
Strange. Haven't seen that before. Yeah, it's here on Rakuunantie, Munkkiniemi 4, staircase B. But I need to get to the staircase A later. It was built in 1960. Turned 60 years old in 2020. December is H9084 and it's here in Munkkiniemi, Munkkiniemi, Helsinki, Helsingfors, Finland. And it's not that many MP6 here, it's not as much.
Yeah.
There has been more MP4 here originally. It's going to be inspected the next year, 2023, and deserves 2 rides, but also with the furniture outside.
Iskuttiin vaikka vai me temppaa Kone.
I love the smell in here and the sounds.
The same here.
And then you can do the floor kit. I'll do it.
Yeah.
So we can buy it.
That's